danger. An eagle is a carnivore. It eats meat. Now, the furnace becomes heavy. The beard becomes blunt. Then it will sit on the mountain. Where does it sit? It will sit on the mountain. When it sits on the mountain, it must decide at the age of 40 upward whether I want to die or I want to live on. When that eagle will sit there and the claws will be there, it can't mount anymore. It can't do anything anymore. Now, if it doesn't decide, it will die with immediate effect. But that eagle has got to make a choice. There comes a time where you have to make a choice. There comes a time where you have to decide whether I study to pass or I fail. It's your choice. There comes a time where you decide whether you follow God or not. The choice is yours. But listen, anyone can make a choice, but no one is free from the consequences of the choice. Are you with me? Are you with me? Now listen what happened. Allow me to say this. That the eagle will take the beak. What will it take? The beak. What will it do? Ithatha lomlomo shebayo. Lomlomo khuluma lomlomo otabana nabantu. It will take the beak. The beak that disrespect the teachers. The beak that disrespect the parents. The beak that disrespect. And it will take the beak and hit the beak on the rock and hit it. And hit it until the beard will fall out and the blood will come out. It hasn't got a beard anymore. In other words, it can't eat for months and months. It will sit there with the pain and the beard has fallen. But it will wait for the regrow. When the beard regrow, it speaks the good things of God. It doesn't backbite anymore. It doesn't speak ill anymore. It doesn't sow the seed of discrepancy anymore. But it brings the brothers together. After Lapo, it's not done. It takes the claws. And do you know how painful it is when you nail tear apart? But an eagle intentionally, with a purpose, a fatty glower, a skirla aita, a fatala aita, ear for ear. It takes the claws one by one out without claws. And the pain in its shoulder, but it doesn't end up there. It will wait for the claws to regrow. And after that, it will take now the furthest. It will take now amapigo one by one. It will take a further of fornication, sex before marriage out. It will take a further of abortion out. It will take a further of disrespect out. It will take a further of nonsense out. It makes itself clean. I'm going to. Yes, sir, I'm going to. And after that, you know what do I do?